One of the things that people may have seen in recent times is Australia Post moving to using a three-wheeled electric delivery vehicle for mail delivery. A number of reasons for that shift. It's much safer than a motorbike, of course, but also as we're transforming from a letters business to more of a parcels business, we're getting much more parcels for the posties to carry. So we need more capacity in a vehicle to take that volume, if you like, to be able to deliver. So these three-wheeled vehicles, can carry significant quantities of parcels that we can't carry in the pannier bags on a motorbike. But if you're going to introduce a vehicle like that, you have to think about not only the vehicle, but the way that it's going to be used. And vehicle first. We've got a challenge around making sure that the vehicle is going to be stable enough and fit for purpose. So a lot of testing and research was undertaken around what is a safe speed for that vehicle, what sort of inclines can it be used on, what conditions, what are the limitations on particular vehicles, and then we had to have a look at what terrains we're using them in, so that we could identify where some limitations might exist, and being able to quarantine what are the safe locations in which we can use those vehicles. Other things that we've had to do have been making sure that the users of the vehicles understand those stability issues. Tricycle 101, if you turn the corner too quick, they can roll over. So we've got to make sure that our riders understand those concerns, and they understand the hazards of certain terrains with the usage of those vehicles. Having a think about usability from simple point of view of getting on and off. You're getting on and off of the vehicle a lot to approach letterboxes or to go into the household to deliver. So you're looking at that access egress issue a lot. You're talking a lot with the end users around how they're having to use it. You're doing a lot of trials. You're getting people to get on and off the vehicle. You're getting short people and tall people, different shapes and sizes to get on and off the vehicle, to see whether we've got that access and egress made easy. Being able to have adequate visibility while you're using the vehicle. Being able to make sure that the cornering, such that handlebars are going to run into body parts, and if they did have a collision with something, is there anything there that they're going to run into, or their body might impact into. So there's a whole range of physical things. Then you've got those organisational factors. How are you going to charge these electric vehicles? How much charge do you need to get around? Do you outstation the vehicle? Do you, what maximum speed road do you need to put? Can you put these vehicles onto? So there's a whole range of issues for us to consider. What's the maximum weight that we can actually carry? What's the right place to put the heavy parcels? What's the right place to put the light parcels? There's a whole range of design considerations that really need to be taken account of. And I think important through this is that interaction with those end users and the people who actually got to go out there and do the job, and hearing their concerns, addressing those concerns, making sure that you've done the right trialling to understand the kinds of things that might go wrong, and being able to address those before you do a major rollout.